In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gann box on TradingView, quick and easy. First, make sure you're logged into TradingView and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is up, look toward the upper left-hand side of the screen. This is where most of your drawing tools live. On that upper left toolbar, find the icon that opens the Gann and Fibonacci tools. Depending on your layout, it might look like a small diagonal line or a Fibonacci icon. Hover over the icons until you see the label mentioning Gann and Fibonacci, then click to open that tool menu. From the list that appears, look for Gann box and click it. As soon as you select it, your mouse cursor will change, indicating that you're ready to draw the box directly on your chart. Now, move your cursor to the point on the chart where you want your Gann box to start. This will be your first anchor point. Many traders choose a significant swing high or swing low here, but you can choose any point that fits your analysis. Click once to set that first point. Next, drag your cursor to the place where you want the box to end. This defines the width and height of your Gann box. When you're happy with the size and placement, click again to set the final point. Your Gann box will appear, broken into smaller internal levels that combine time and price. At this stage, take a moment to look at how the box overlays your chart. The lines and sections can help you visualize potential support and resistance zones, as well as how price might react over time within this structure. You can click and drag the box to move it anywhere on your chart, and you can adjust the edges to resize it until it fits the price action you want to study. You also have full customization options. With the Gann box selected, you'll see a small toolbar or properties window. Here you can save and apply templates so your favorite settings are always available. You can change the colors to make the levels stand out against your chart background. Adjust line width so the box is more or less prominent, and choose the style of the lines themselves. If you need deeper control, open the settings panel for the Gann box, where you can fine-tune visibility and inputs. You can lock the box in place so you don't accidentally move it while analyzing, and you can remove it instantly when you're finished with that particular setup. To sum up, the Gann box on TradingView is a powerful way to combine time and price into a single visual tool. Once you're comfortable drawing, moving, and customizing it, you can use it to highlight key reaction zones, plan entries and exits, and bring a more structured approach to your technical analysis.